Greetings. Welcome to the course of Electromagnetics, Unit 2, Lecture number 30. In previous numerical, we discussed about Laplace equations and Poisson's equation. Example on Poisson's equation. So the example given is, using the Poisson's equation, we are supposed to obtain the volume charge density inside the sphere. Okay, so using the Poisson's equation, so there is one sphere. The sphere with a radius of A. Here is one sphere with the radius of A, over which we have to find out the volume charge density. So inside the sphere, what is the volume charge density? By using the Poisson's equations, and conditions are given as the ER. What is this? ER is magnitude of electric field or electric field intensity in the direction of radius. In the direction of radius, it is given by A R power 4. What is this R? So this is a magnetic field when it is an electric field when R is less than A. When this R is less than A, then this is the electric field intensity. Okay, this is the magnitude of electric field intensity or field intensity. And one more value of field intensity is given as A into R power minus 2 when this R value is greater than A. What is this A is? A in both the cases is a radius of the sphere. Okay, so what is our task is, we have to obtain the volume charge density by using the Poisson's equation. So what is our Poisson's equation is del square V equal to rho V by epsilon is a Poisson's equation. Okay, so we can write del square V in, because it is in a sphere, so in a spherical coordinating system, if we write the del square V as 1 by r square into dou by dou r of r square into dou V by dou r equal to rho V by epsilon. Okay, so now we can take this r square this side. Okay, so what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find what is this volume charge density, rho V. Okay, so we wanted to find out what is the volume charge density, rho V, for the both the cases. For r less than A, this is the electric field, and for r greater than A, and this is the electric field. So we will see that whether the volume charge density is the same in both the cases or it is different. No, E is given by electric field, because ER, the magnitude of electric field, is given. Electric field E is also written as the magnitude and its unit vector. It is in the direction of along the radius, and it is given by, if you write the gradient of V in spherical coordinating system, it is given by minus dou V by dou R into AR. So AR is cancelled. So we can write minus dou V by dou R as ER. What is our ER is? So ER is, there are two different ER values are there, magnetic field intensities. For one is R less than A, one is with R greater than A. So it is dou V by dou R, which is given by ER. Let R value is less than A, and it is given as minus A R power 4. Okay, let this is a equation 1, this one is equation 1, and this is equation 2. Okay, so we have considered the case here as R is less than A, for R less than A. Now substitute equation 2, that is the value of dou V by dou R, in the equation 1. Okay, substitute 2 in 1. So what is equation 1 is 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square into dou V by dou R. What is dou V by dou R is minus A R power 4, which is equal to rho V by epsilon. Okay, so let us take this r this side. 1 by r square dou by dou r of, okay, so this is minus a r raised to 6 r square and r power 4, it is r raised to 6, which is equal to rho v by epsilon. I will take this minus along with the r square that side, so we can write dou by dou r of minus a r power 6 is given by, if you take this value here, minus rho v r square this side, it is r square by epsilon, okay, and a is a constant, taken a as a constant, and so differentiation of r power 6 is 6 r power 5 with respect to r, which is given by minus rho v, okay, minus already taken this side, so it is no minus rho v r square, this is volume charge density, by epsilon, okay. Let us take all these values this side, keeping only rho v, because we are supposed to find the charge densities, right? So we are going to find the volume charge density for both the cases. First case where r is less than a, and rho v we are keeping as it is and taken all these terms this side, which is given by a 6 r power 5 by epsilon by r square. So the volume charge density is given by minus 6a, so r square cancelled, r raised to 3 into epsilon. What is this? This is a volume charge density for the case where r less than a, for which electric field intensity is given as a r power 4, okay, and where the epsilon naught will be the permittivity of the medium. This is a minus, so here it will be, here it is a minus, okay, and this will be plus, this is a minus here, this is a minus here, okay, and this minus and minus will be get cancelled, so it will be plus here, okay. So the volume charge density is given by 6a epsilon, all are constants, r power 3, what is the unit for volume charge density? Coulomb per meter cube, okay. This is the volume charge density for the given sphere or within the sphere when r value is less than a, for which electric field intensity is given as a into a some constant, a into r raised to 4. Now, so we will proceed in the same way and let us find what is the volume charge density if r is greater than a, okay. Let us consider the second condition. So if r is greater than a, so then we will find the what is the volume charge density, okay. So the equation, the same equation we are going to write, only dou v by dou r value will be for the condition of r greater than a, it is a r power minus 2, okay. So we have a Poisson's equation as 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square into dou v by dou r, which is equal to minus rho v by epsilon, and from by using the relationship between E and V, and it is written as electric field intensity is given by minus gradient of V, and electric field intensity, it is a vector form, we can write as magnitude of field intensity into its direction, along with its direction, and it is written as dou V by dou R into AR. So this AR is cancelled, so minus dou V by dou R can be written as ER, okay, electric field intensity. For the case of R greater than A, for R greater than A, what is ER is, means electric field intensity, A R power minus 2, okay. So dou V by dou R for R greater than A, which is given by A into R power minus 2, okay. Let us substitute this Let it be 3, no? Okay. Let this is the equation 3. Substitute the equation 3 in the equation 1, which is already defined as an equation 1. Substitute equation 3 in 1, and writing 3 in 1, we will write the equation 3 in 1. This is equation 3, sorry 1 it is. So we will replace dou v by dou r by a r power minus 2. So it is written as 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square into dou v by dou r. From the equation 3, what it is? It is a r power minus 2, which is given by minus rho v by epsilon. Okay, here we have a minus value, here we have a minus value. Okay, so I'll take the minus common. 1 by r square dou by dou r of, this is a as it is, this is r square, and what is this one? This is r power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by r square, which is equal to minus rho v by epsilon. Minus minus cancelled, and this r square is also constant cancelled. So dou by dou r of a constant value. Dou by dou r of any constant means differentiating a constant with respect to r is 0. This is 0 equal to rho v by epsilon. From this one, what is the volume charge density is 0 coulomb per meter cube. Okay. So what is the volume charge density? It is for 0 coulomb per meter square. See what they said, there is one sphere. Okay. So in the sphere, the sphere is having a radius of a meters per suppose, and electric field is given within the sphere and out of the sphere. Within the sphere, electric field is ER, and where this case is given R is less than A, and for R greater than A means out of this sphere also the electric field is given. Even though electric field exists out of the sphere, but there won't be any volume charge density. So the volume charge density lies within the sphere only. How much it is? This is this much. So out of the sphere, what is the volume charge density is? So the out of the sphere, the volume charge density is 0. Okay. Given the question is also obtain the volume charge density inside the sphere, because no volume charge density exists out of the sphere. With this, we can conclude the class. In next class, we will solve few more numericals on Laplace and Poisson's equation.